West Baltimore at Fayette and Monroe. And from there, because of conditions that were not ideal for children to be raised, and unfortunately with parents who struggle with addiction, we had a strong man, my grandfather, who thought that it was paramount to remove us from that situation and give us an opportunity. And so we moved to Ashburton, where for there I grew up, had the benefit of Ashburton Elementary, the benefit of 12 aunts and uncles who participated in rearing us. I had the benefit of being able to go to Baltimore Polytechnic, the benefit of being able to enjoy my first job as a lifeguard at the Poholmes pool that's right off of Hillen. I had the opportunity to get my second job down at the Inner Harbor at the power plant. And those are some of the beginnings and things that I had, the opportunities. They were pivotal. They were very important for me because I got the opportunity to enjoy these things because of community and because of family. And we've gotten away from that. And so today I'm officially announcing my candidacy and my extension to the citizens of Baltimore, an opportunity to have a real choice to address real issues and to address them with real solutions. Before I begin, I want to take the time to thank Dr. Vaughn for extending himself and taking time out of his schedule to anoint this. I also want to take the time to thank my wife, my family, my friends who've all supported me throughout this decision. I mean, this has been a tough decision. After a long time of them hearing me complain about the things that were wrong with the system, enough was enough, and they said, look, no more time to just keep talking about it and complaining about it. Do something about it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm stepping out on faith, and I'm stepping out on behalf of the citizens of Baltimore. Now, you ask why? Why would you give up a practice? Well, I wouldn't have that practice if it wasn't for the community. I wouldn't be able to provide for and feed and take care of my family if it weren't for the community who has supported me throughout all these years. And so it's paramount that because Baltimore has been so good to me that I give back to it. Now, despite the early difficulties of my community and upbringing, I had the benefit of my grandfather who made sure that those things would be different. And because of that, I'm not a victim of my circumstances, but I have victory over my circumstances. And that has been a collective effort. Now, I'm really just tired of the repeat violent offense that is plaguing our community. Every other day, we're seeing a news flash that things have gone awry. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of being in my home and being in a state of fear. I can't raise my kids because where they ordinarily would be able to go out and enjoy a park or a different part of the neighborhood, I've got to worry about are they going to come back safe. I'm scared to walk out of my home because before I look back, I'm checking the door, making sure it's locked 2 and 3 times because my house has been broken into several times. What was once a beauty thing for me as a homeowner I took pride in, I've now got what I call decorative wrought iron gates around windows and doors. We can't live like this anymore. This has gotten completely out of control. We've got to do something about it. We've got to do something collectively together. We've got to take this city back to a time when community was the driving force of Baltimore City, where it policed itself. We've got to get back to a time where the system worked, the people believed in the system, and we had trust in who was effectuating the law, who was making sure that things were going in the direction that it needed to. This cannot happen. We cannot afford to lose another young life. Chris Brown is somebody who has been a great inspiration to me. Her son was lost at the hands of someone who did not regard human life, and that is happening all too often in Baltimore City. It is time that we take back our streets. It is time that we take back our city, and we take control of the destiny of our communities and how they will go.